Hello everyone. Today's topic is the biggest fool in the kingdom. The king Krishnadevara loved an horse. The horse had collected in the kingdom. The various varieties of the horse are uh, present in the kingdom. Once upon a time, the trader comes in the kingdom and told to the king and said to the king, I have uh, many varieties of horse. You must see this horse at a time and invited to the king. Then King Krishnadevarai goes to see this horse, and then this trader said to Krishnadevarai, I have also these Arabian varieties of horse in I have uh, uh, I have same varieties of Arabian horse in my village. Then I will give this to horse also to you. Krishnadevarai loves the horse very. Krishnadevarai loves the horse. Then he said, you give this two horse to me also. Then Krishnadevarai gives 5,000 gold coin to the traders. Then traders said, I will come within 2 days uh, with two horse and go to his village. After 2 days, uh, uh, after 2 days, traders was not coming. Also, 2 days goes, 2 weeks goes, but traders not come in the kingdom. Then Krishnadevarai, Krishnadevarai walking in the garden. Then he took the Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman written something in a piece of paper. Then uh, King then King Krishnadevarai see the Tenali Raman and ask the Tenali Raman, what you are what you are writing. Then Tenali Raman uh, Tenali Raman not answering to king. Then again king asked the Tenali Raman, what you are writing. Then Tenali Raman said then Telariman said, I listed up some name of the man in the kingdom. Then king see this written piece of paper and sees the first number. Firstly, the name of the king is written by the Tenali Raman. Then he asked, which why you write my name, or which is this list, which type of this list. Then Tenali Raman said, the biggest fool in the kingdom, uh, those who are full in the kingdom, these peoples are written in this paper. Then king was furious and asked to the Tenali Raman, why you are write my name. Then he said, uh, you, he tell the story of this horse and coin 5,000 golden coin to give the traders, and said, the king gives the 5,000 golden coin to a stranger trader. Then king says, when the trader comes with the two horse, then why you do? Then Tenayilman said, then then replace the name of the king and return the name of the traders. And when the traders is come, then he is the biggest foolish in the kingdom. Thank you.